Ballangen is a small town and former municipality in Nordland County, Norway, located along the shore of Ofotfjorden, near Narvik. It is known for its stunning natural scenery, with fjords, mountains, and forests that offer great opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and skiing. Historically, Ballangen had mining activity, particularly for copper and nickel. Today, it is more associated with tourism and agriculture. The area provides a peaceful atmosphere with beautiful landscapes, making it an attractive destination for those who love nature and tranquility.